Good morning. This is Thursday, July 30th, 2020, and we're here with more Tropic Talk. Some more in-depth talk on what's been going on, what's happening, piggybacking on yesterday. So that'll be the highlight of what we're doing today. And we're going to start because, as I noted yesterday, our tropical system did finally get its act sorted together. It's now Isaiah, and let's take a look at him. So right now, this is 5 a.m. this morning. He's got winds of 60 miles per hour. So we are in tropical storm scenario right now. He's going to interact with Hispaniola later today, but we really don't know yet what will happen after that. Guidance is all over the place with the intensity. A lot of models are ramping it up, eventually making it a hurricane. And before we jump on that, we want to make sure that all the conditions are favorable for that. So we'll be really focusing in on that, and I'll show you a little bit what we're looking at. And some of the track guidance has shifted east as well, except for the UK Met. But the Euro, the WRF, the GFS, they all go through the Bahamas and the east coast of Florida. So it kind of spares it, and I'll show you that in a moment. Right. So Saturday and Sunday, the coastline will be dealing with some sort of impact from the storm. Again, the track will determine what kind. But it looks like right now it's going to skirt the east coast of Florida and turn up towards the Carolinas, and we'll see what happens from there. Either way, the east coast is in for some surf, wind, and rain events next week. I just want to go back and look at the guidance that I was talking about. A lot of that guidance is showing that they believe that Isaias will, in fact, become a Category 1 hurricane. But again, you can see there is some disparity as well. So keep an eye on that. And, it's always fluid. So one thing we want to look at is the pipeline here. This disturbance that's going through Texas, as well as this other one that's been affecting the heart of the country, they're going to go east and affect the east now through the weekend. 3 is obviously our storm, our tropical storm. There may be another Atlantic disturbance that helps guide this on the coast, and we may talk about that tomorrow if I see it a little more on what I'm seeing. But there's going to definitely be a lot of rainfall in the next 8 days for the Mid-Atlantic and northwest, northeast coast. So let's keep an eye on that. And I'm going to skip this one for now. Just want to take a look at some of the rainfall. So this is before the system. You can see a lot of our rain has been wedged with these storms and those 2 disturbances I just spoke recently. It's very wedged in the heart of the country. So, but when we expand that out into the 4 and 5 day, and what I'll do is I'm going to just bring this over a little bit so you can see more of the country. Right, this is Saturday into Monday. You can see the impacts of Isaiah here. So it's starting, and you'll see in a moment how it goes even further. Day 7, right? So it's going to be a lot of rain coming up this coast. And again, surf, wind should be an issue for some too. So a lot to unpack in the next couple of days. One thing I wanted to leave us with is sort of maybe a change in, our weather. It's been quite warm and hot and humid for a good part of the summer, but this will stir things up. The East Asia influence, this is about 7 days out. We'll probably see the results of this influence us in North America in 2-3 weeks. We'll probably get a trough in the eastern part of the country. So some interesting weather, maybe some cool down coming early September, late August. So a lot happening. Let's just keep an eye on it. I'm running long. I'm Steve Krasnowski, meteorologist for Weather Briefings. This has been your Storm Scoop. Have a wonderful day.